Let's stir up some Ravishing roasted potatoes. These are an all-time favorite for a side to any dish. What you'll need are about 4 cups of mini potatoes, about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of butter, depends how buttery you want them, about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of Cajun spice, and 1 teaspoon of pink salt. This is a very simple ingredient list, but the method to follow is essential. What you want to do is bring a pot of water to boil in a pot, and then you're going to add your potatoes to this. Again, no need to poke holes with a fork in these potatoes. What you're going to do is about 15 minutes after, once they're parboiled, run them under some cold water. And at that point, what you can do is poke some holes with a fork. What that will do is once we add our spices, it'll ensure the spices get in really well. Then in a pan, you're going to put in your olive oil first and then your melted butter. The reason we do it in this exact method is we want to make sure the butter doesn't burn in the oven, and you're going to bake these for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees in your oven. You're going to add the potatoes in here as well as the spices. Give it a really quick shake, and once they're baked, they are going to taste amazing. This is how they'll look once they come out of the oven. When you serve it, you can make sure there's some extra butter that's added to the top or not. Again, here are the ingredient list for your screenshot. This is a very easy method, but once you try them out, they will taste so good. You'll never go back again to any other potatoes. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, leave a comment for me below. Again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for other easy to follow recipes. Until next time, keep stirring it up.